Hey, thanks for coming. I know you're interested in making money on your phone completely for free. So what I'm about to do is get into that right now. My name is Cornez. I've been an online entrepreneur for the past few years. And I know with this pandemic going on right now, people are in need for more ways to actually make some money and so they can pay their bills. So I figure I'll share some free information with you. And because it was beneficial to me. All right, so there'll be links to all these things that I'll be talking about, but let's break it down step by step. Okay, let's get into it. I'm gonna come over to my Make Money Apps folder. Okay, I'm gonna click on this app called Dosh. As you can see here, as I just open it up, these are all coming from simply sharing the app. Okay, I'm getting these payments, you know, with this particular device that this connected to was $191, and all I've done was share this app with people. That's it. You know, I spent maybe $2 or $3 with an affiliated company, but that's it. All right, so let me get down to why this is a good app regardless. Okay, because this is a cashback app, right? It's simply like a digital coupon. You go get you get a coupon, you spend some money somewhere, you're gonna buy something anyway, you get money back. Okay, so for those of you who coupon, you might may be familiar with this. All right, so this app has things like Uber Eats, Apple Music, BJ's, SiriusXM, DoorDash, Domino's, Walgreens, Sam's Club, Macy's, Nike. It has good hotel cash back benefits. All right, so what happens is when you sign up, you're going to link a debit or a credit card, and whenever you use that card at one of these places, you get money in your actual wallet. Now hold up, if you don't want to link a card that you already have because you're not sure or familiar, you don't want to put I got a remedy for that. If you don't want to put an actual card, you know, that your personal, I got an Chime. I'm gonna get into that. You create a brand new account, so all of that money would only be affiliated with that, and you can make money with that, and you can make money with Chime too. We're gonna get into that, okay? But right now we're talking about Dosh. All right, so you're gonna come in, you're gonna link a credit or debit card, and you're gonna automatically get $1 for each debit or credit card that you use. Okay, so if you come over here to my wallet, boom, you can see all these referrals that I've gotten, and you can do the same thing. How do you do that, you ask? All right, so you come over to refer, right? It's going to give you a code, a copy my link code. All you would do is copy that link and you would share it with your friends. Now I wouldn't suggest that you just spam people, but more or less reach out, have a real conversation with them, and tell them the benefits, because it's free to sign up. Most of us have our credit cards and things linked with Amazon and Netflix and all these other things. This is the FDIC insured apps and everything like that, so you won't have any problems when it comes to really, you know, downloading these apps. Okay, all right, so just simply download it and boom, link your card, and now you'll be able to actually get cash back, and you'll be able to actually you know, refer people and make money. Now when it comes to transferring, okay, look, you need a minimum of $25 to actually be transferred into your bank account. All right, so be mindful. Yes, you will need that, but if you're going to be doing this strategy and you're going to be downloading this app and you're going to be telling people about it, $25 is going to be very easy to come by. Now also stay tuned for this app when they do their promos, because sometimes it's $12 or $15 or even more for a referral. So those are the times that you really want to get on it. But right now, if there's over 30 million people, okay, that's filed for unemployment plus. Okay, imagine if you can reach 0.01% of those people, and then that ends up being what, approximately 3,000 people, and then you say 3,000 people give you $5, then that's $15,000 potentially. So be mindful. This is a free opportunity. There's no reason for you not to try it and not to apply yourself if you are needing of money right now, especially if you're at home and you're not doing much. Okay, you have no excuse. All right. So that's that app. You want to download it. You want to link a credit or debit card. And if you don't want to link one that you already have personally, let me show you the account that you actually should get that will be beneficial to you. Okay. Here's an app right here called Chime. All right. Excuse me as I'm logging in. All right. You see right here, get your stimulus payment faster. If you're eligible for a stimulus payment but haven't gotten it yet, add your direct deposit details to the IRS website by May 13th. So why is that beneficial? It's beneficial because boom, you just add your you actually add your account to it and it gets direct deposit. A lot of you who are having trouble with stimulus is because you don't have a direct deposit account, and they have to print that that actually tangible check and that tangible fiat money, which takes time and money, and they don't have that much physical money. So it's better for you to have it, you know, as far as from a digital standpoint. So you come over to Chime, you create your account, you use your information, okay, and then boom, it's going to actually give you, I can't show you my card information, but it's going to actually have a temporary card in there for use, and you can use your temporary card to actually get started with Chime, and that way you have to wait for the card, because it will come in the mail, and you don't have to sit there and put in your other card information. Also, if you refer somebody, and boom, like right now, if you download this app and say you go out and get a $200 direct deposit, you're going to get an extra $50. So on top of making money with Dosh, okay, because this is a 3-part system. On top of making money with Dosh, now you're going to be making an extra $50 when you get that direct deposit over $200. And now, you know, you have some way to put your digital currency, so your other bank account information is not even attached. So it's beneficial for you, like even across the board. So please take the time to just go to the link and sign up for the Chime bank account card if you want to use the Dosh and you don't want to use your actual credit card. The next app I'm going to be talking about to you, let me come back over to my Make Money Apps folder, is going to be FeaturePoints, okay? So once again, the link will be in the description. All you have to do is download FeaturePoints. Let me tell you a little bit about it. There's ways to actually get points. As you see, I'm on Earn right now. Okay, so as I'm on Earn, they have surveys and they have offers. What you would do is actually, you would click on the offer. It offers you up to 3,000 tokens. Okay, you click on this offer, and then it has different things you can do, all right, to get your points up. And you would just have to simply follow the directions. Maybe it's downloading the app, signing up for a trial, and after that you could delete it. Okay, and then you can come over here to rewards. All right, and when you can cash those rewards out, you can cash it out with a Visa gift card, you can cash it out with PayPal, or you can cash it out with Bitcoin. That's all up to you, okay? They also have other Amazon gift cards and stuff like that, Chipotle, Burger King. So if you want to cash it out for that, that's completely fine, all right? But the way that you're going to actually make the most money is actually if you come over here to share, and once again, you're going to tell people about the opportunity to actually get points, cash those points out, and actually make money from their phone, okay? So once again, you know, say for instance, if I want to go to PayPal, it shows you right here, $5 is worth 3,000 points, $10 worth 6,000 points, you know, 15,000. All right, so boom, and there you have it right there. And every time somebody signs up and they're actually getting points, that becomes beneficial to you. All right, so 3 apps right below that you can download, and it'll behoove you to look. I know this may be unfamiliar territory, but if you're here right now, then you have to be willing to put in the work and believe in yourself and download these apps just to get started making some money. I'm not trying to make you a millionaire. What I'm trying to do is help you, show you something, that a skill set that you can learn and you can use, and now you can be able to pay your bills, pay your cell phone, pay your mortgage with this right here. Okay, so like I said, if you're interested, it's a link below. Don't miss out on the opportunity, all right, because it's free. This is completely free. So anyway, thank you. I wish you the best of luck. Let's get it.